This question asks, what are the total number of carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms in the following molecule? This is really a question about bond line structures and how to draw them, and thinking about the fact that we don't draw the hydrogen atoms in unless they're typically attached to like a heteroatom like oxygen or nitrogen. So in this case, it's just best to kind of draw in the hydrogen atoms, make sure you know where they're at, and then count everything up. So a lot of people struggle a little bit with hydrogen atoms, so just keep in mind that if you have an sp2 hybridized carbon like that one, it should have one hydrogen atom coming off of it, whereas this sp3 hybridized atom will have two hydrogen atoms coming off of it. And that's again because we're trying to get carbon to have 4 bonds. A carbon with 4 bonds is typically a neutral carbon because it has a full octet. So here we have 2 more hydrogens, 2 more hydrogens. Be really careful with these carbons here. Those 2 carbons already have 4 bonds, so we're not going to add hydrogens there. We will put 1 here. The nitrogen already has 3 bonds, and so it doesn't have any hydrogens attached. Again, that would normally have been drawn in because nitrogen's hydrogen atoms would be drawn in a bond line structure. This carbon should have 2 hydrogens, and this one should have 3. All right, so let's count up our hydrogen atoms. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, next let's count up our carbon atoms. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't forget the carbonyl carbon. 8, 9, and 10. This one would have 10 carbons, 13 hydrogens, and then we would have our nitrogen and our oxygen as well. So 10 carbons means our answer choice is either A, B, or C. And then 13 hydrogens means C is our final answer.